Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant error code 29. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type control panel and then click network and sharing center, and after that you will find here internet or Wi-Fi. Just click on it, then properties, and after that protocol internet version 4, click properties, and once you're here just copy my settings, select second one here and copy those numbers, click OK, and that's it. And after that you need to find Riot Games folder, and here it is. Now go to Valorant and then live, and after that go to shooter game, binaries, Win64, and scroll down. Here you will find Valorant. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, and enable those three options, first option and those two options here, and make it for Windows 8. Apply, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.